If you're building voice agents for a global audience, you've probably run into this classic problem. Your system works perfectly in English, but the moment you go multilingual, things get complicated. More models, more routing logic, and more latency. And somehow, worse conversations. That's the problem we at Deepgram set out to solve. We're launching Flux Multilingual, expanding Deepgram's Flux, the world's first conversational speech recognition model, beyond English. Now, you can build real-time multilingual voice agents using a single model and the same API. Flux has become foundational for voice AI because it's built for conversation, not just transcription. More specifically, conversations can move rapidly, contain interruptions, and have filler words. Flux is robust enough to handle how dynamic conversations like this can be. It understands turn taking, handles interruptions, and streams with ultra low latency. But until now, it's only supported in English. So in the past, teams had to choose between building complex language routing on top of Nova 3 or stitching together multiple providers, thereby losing the conversational intelligence that makes voice agents feel natural and human-like. Flux Multilingual is more than a mere speech-to-text model. It's the combination of three things: conversational speech recognition, multilingual support across 10 languages, and flexible live language control. Together, that enables something new: systems that can understand, adapt, and respond within live multilingual conversations. No delays, no separate pipelines, just accurate results with low latency. With Flux Multilingual, your system can detect and interpret multiple languages within a single interaction, seamlessly handle code switching mid-conversation, and respond in the right language in real time. All powered by a single model, flux-general-multi. Again, it supports 10 languages: English, Spanish, French, German, Hindi, Russian, Portuguese, Japanese, Italian, and Dutch. From a developer perspective, this is simple to adopt. It uses the same Flux streaming API as before. Just point to here or the text in the description below. We've also added more control. You can pass a language hint parameter, enable automatic language detection, and support code switching in a single session. Plus, with midstream configurability, Flux can adapt in real time as conversations evolve without resetting or rerouting. For more information, check out our documentation at the link on screen or in the description below. This is what separates Flux Multilingual from everything else out there. Traditional multilingual models focus only on transcription, and most of them primarily handle batch transcription, aka pre-recorded transcription. Flux Multilingual is different. It's built specifically for live, multilingual conversations end-to-end, while remaining robust enough to handle everything from background noise to interruptions. It's the same Flux API you've come to know and love, but now you can love it across many languages. This is conversational speech recognition without borders, and it's available today. Check it out on the webpage here or find it in the description below. And as always, build globally with Deepgram.